Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Howdy y'all. In this episode I thought I would show you how I process the logs that I get. I pick up free logs from people cutting trees every chance I get. You just gotta look around. Get to know an arborist or a tree trimmer. They can help you out. This is my way. This is not the way everybody does it, but this is what works for me. So let me show you. We're gonna start with this pile of hackberry right there. My neighbor cut that down the other day and I hauled it over here with my lawn tractor. Let's get at it. What's that? Oh, you like the shirt? Yeah, I do too. Pretty cool, huh? Well, in the description below is a link to where you can get shirts to support the Messy Studio or Temple Boy Turnings or any of the other makers in the Makers Media Network. Check them out. Help support your favorite maker. Anchor seal is the best for this, no question. I don't have any, so I just use any old latex that I've got laying around. I want to seal this right here through the fifth area for real. And the ends. That's all right. And I'll set it out here on my stack. Maybe it'll spalt, maybe it won't. Again, anchor seal is better. Something else that works really well, and it's not terribly expensive, I just don't have any right now, and that's, believe it or not, Elmer's glue, white Elmer's glue. Mix it 1-to-1 with water and brush it on, and it works about as well as anchor seal. But a nice thick coat of latex does a fair job. This hackberry ought to be pretty when I mill it up, or when I turn it. I may rough turn a piece of this in a few weeks. And that's how I do bull blanks from fresh cut trees. Neighbor took this hackberry down a few weeks ago and I went and got it. He told me he was taking it down and I could have it. He counted the growth rings. He said it's about 120 years old, which is why I want to get as much of this done and milled up as I can, because I don't want to lose it. Alright, I'm not going to film anymore. You've seen one, you've seen them all. And the filming just takes too long to deal with moving the camera around. So I'll get some more of these milled up and get back to work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you have a mind to. I'd appreciate it, really.